Hey all, Russ here, RVerTV. How you doing today? Hey, have you ever camped along the coast? Check this out. We're just heading north of Ventura. We're going to be up here on the Pacific Coast Highway. Okay, we're exiting the 101. The 101's a freeway. We're here on the Pacific Coast Highway. And there's the ocean. How about that, huh? This is a very popular area. First stop will be this Emma Wood State Beach. Stop and get a few photos here. Okay, there's a little shack, gate, get in and out. I didn't drive down in there. You can see, look at them people sitting right there by the water. Isn't that nice? Kind of crowded though, they pack you in pretty tight. But look at that, huh? I mean, you're right there on the ocean. I have no clue what they charge. I'm going to put descriptions down below for the information on these state and county parks. Look at that guy just sitting there watching the world go by. The clouds come in and out, the marine layer, whatever you want to call it. A little bit ago it was blue sky, now it's cloudy. You can just see it forming. Alright, let's head on down the road. All kinds of parking. Now, here to the left, that's just day use. You can't camp here, I don't think. You gotta stay within parks. But you see portable restrooms along the way. Here's some actual houses. How about that? Alright, I'm gonna pull off here to the left. Well, this is Faria Beach. I think this one's a county park. Faria Park, Ventura County. Now this one has hookups. You got power and water. Maybe sewer down there. Once again, you're right there on the water. Look at that tent. The guy's camping in a tent with his van. Pretty good. Real pretty. But you're right here with hookups. Look at this guy sitting right at the end. He's plugged in, got a little fire pit. They're out there playing on the beach. Looks like a little walk down ramp there. Not bad. A couple tents pitched. Yeah, check out the kid digging in the sand. Isn't that cool? Alrighty, let's keep on trucking. Oh, they got a cafe down there too. How about that? Not bad. Now, this one coming up, it's called Ricon Parkway. It's like a 1.5-mile stretch, and you park right along the road. On the internet, it said 127 sites, and I'll believe it. I believe them. Everyone's got their flags up, but you just park right alongside the road. They do charge you for this. There's no reservations. I think it's a first come, first serve. And there's probably limits how long you can stay. There's a little portable restroom and dumpsters. Not bad. I'm going to pull in one of these empties and stop and get a little video. I'll be back. Okay, that's how you camp. Got the rocks. You parked right along. You can see the freeway up above, so you'd have freeway noise. But who cares? You're on the ocean. Ah, look at them guys. Gonna go surf. They were ready for the water. A lot of people here. Of course, it's August, summertime. Nice beach, though. Very, very nice. Okay, head on down the road. But not bad. I mean, you're right along the road. I'd do this for a weekend. Why not? Okay, right up down here on the left, there's another county park. I think it's called Hobson County Park. It's got 21 sites with hookups. Once again, I'm not gonna drive down in there, but they got sites with electric and water. They got like a pretty nice beach area too. Look at all the people out there surfing. Not bad. Alright, back on the freeway here. I'm gonna head down. I could see some gliders up in the air from that other park, so we'll go check it out. Okay, this one's called Ricon Park. It's a day use one. Can't camp here. But let's go up in there. I've seen these gliders off the cliffs. Oh, cool. Look at these guys. They just keep going in circles. They can stay up there all day. Look at that. Isn't that cool? I don't think I'd be doing it. But look at it. You can hear them. They're playing music too. The camera probably don't pick it up. But what a bird's eye view from up there. Huh. I've never seen anyone do that up close like that. Look at this guy right over top of me. Nice. He's on RVerTV now. Alrighty. Anyway, I could see him from way down the road, so I thought I'd come up and check them out. But they just fly right along that cliff. Look at that little concrete thing up there. That must be their landing area. Alrighty, head on down the road. Alright, we'll head back into town. This whole stretch here, you're not that far. It's only about 5-6 miles back to town. Look at that trailer trucking right along. Alright, this is on the very north end of town. There's an RV park up here we'll go check out. Look how the sky grayed over. Right behind me in the mirror, can't see it. It's blue sky. Nice. Still nice and cool though. A little humid, but it's August too. Alright, this is actually Main Street, the end of Main Street. A lot of ag here. Look at the ag fields, agriculture. Alright, this is called Ventura Beach RV Park. Doesn't have very good reviews. I don't know. Have to check it out. Place is huge, yo. It's a lot of sites. Big old clubhouse there. Everything's paved. You're not too far from the ocean. We're on the opposite side, the freeway and then the ocean. Well, let me get parked and I'll go ahead and get a little information. There's propane and an RV dump. Alrighty, I'll be back. Well, not very friendly. You're not allowed to drive around the park, so I'm just gonna leave. But their rates are way up there too. I mean, it's pricey. If you're gonna spend this kind of money, you might as well go stay on the ocean. You know, I don't know. That's my opinion. But you can see way down there. I mean, you do have grass that is paved and is full hookup. But I don't know. I wouldn't stay here. Well, keep on trucking. Why don't we go, we'll make a quick trip through town. I'll show you a couple of the things in town. There's a town park, and we'll go out to the harbor too. That Channel Islands is out there. So we'll go check that out. Okay, Ventura Ventura, it's just kind of an old town feel. Got trees. Of course, there's moisture. I mean, things grow good here along the coast. Big ag place. We can see the houses. The cop has someone pulled over. Oops. But not bad. Then business district, there's all kinds of shops and everything down here. I really like this place. I mean, this is really, really nice. I'm sure it's very expensive to live here, being right on the coast. I don't know, but there's an old theater and stuff. Anyway, I'm gonna park up here and go walk around. I'll be back. Okay, here's Old Town. I guess Old Town, I don't know. But they got old history. Here's an old cannon at the park. If that thing could talk, huh? There's a Ventura Theater across the street from the park. Check this thing out. My goodness. This tree is 150, 60 years old. It is massive. It could have its own zip code. My God. Look at that thing. It's huge. I don't know if it picks up good on the camera how big this thing is. Look at that. How cool. Bet there's been a lot of pictures, selfies taken here. Too cool. But look how the structure, look at that. Just kind of twisted together. All the storms it's been through. I mean, over 150, 60 years. That's amazing. Still going too. Alrighty, let's get back on the road and we'll head over to the harbor. Okay, we're kind of heading south of town on the 101. Look, blue sky. Look at it. All blue sky now. Gray to blue. Alrighty, we'll get off here. I'll try to find my way down through to get to the harbor. And as soon as I make a right, look, marine layer coming back. That's okay. Still beautiful. It's about 80, 82, 83 degrees today. Alright, this is a dead end. I think I should have made a left back there. Alright, I'll find my way down to the harbor and I shall return. Found it. Had to make a couple twists and turns, but this is Ventura Harbor Village. Bunch of shops right here on the water. It's a massive marina. Look at all the boats, huh? My goodness. There are probably 1,000 of them. All different sizes. Sailboats. There's some big fishing boats. Let me walk down there. We'll get a shot of the big fishing boats. That'd be cool. There's all kinds of boat. You can charter boats, go out on whale watching. There's all kinds of those services here at the marina. So if you're into that, you can do that. Okay, let's go down to the end and find that Channel Island thing. Alright, way down at the end is Channel Islands National Park. This is their visitor center to get out to the islands. And there's their building. We'll go up in there and go inside, check it out. Okay, Channel Island National Park Visitor Center. Let's go on in. Looks like they got some aquatic stuff. There's a little, well, kind of like a museum, whatever. Deep dive, immersion. There you go. Oh, look, you can take pictures in there. That'd be cool. Not bad. Not bad. Well, I can hear the boat roaring, the motor of it. Walk back here. They have boat tours that go out to the island. There it is. There's one of them. Looks like he's coming in. Yeah. They're docking. Anyway, you can take boat tours out there. I'll put a link in the description for that. Pretty cool though. Not bad at all. Alrighty, well that's kind of a tour around Ventura. Took you all over the place. Hope you enjoyed it. This is Russ. I'm going to sign off from here in Ventura Harbor. Hope everyone has a great day. Don't forget to travel safe, and I will talk to you real soon. Take care all.